Thank you, Hub Essential, for this wonderful opportunity to the upgrowing kids. Siyabonga kakhulu kusita kakhulu kunenge lesikubonako in terms of their play nendlela nje labasitakala ngayo kuphuma egangeni and everything, so we are very grateful to that. Singakhuluma ngekudlala kuphela, siyabona ne-field yaka-refereeing iyakhula, as njenami I'm one of them who came from this route. Nami ngakhulela khona lakhaya, but unfortunately at that time bekusete lama juniors, but nje I had the people who worked behind me ba-inspirisha ukuthi nami ngibe one of the best which I am today. So ngiyabonga nalapho sitawusita nalapho kufuna sisite khona to the young referees labakhona, as nje today we are seeing a young boy lona 12 years old if I'm not mistaken, who is an assistant referee. Uke wavela before avetwa ngo-street talk in one of the fields lakhona around the community. So today nangihapu unaye lana, which is a good sign and we are happy. Ngekubuka kwami ngale knowledge lesenginayo, cha, he is very good. He is going to be one of the best assistant lesitaba naye if atawuthola i-mentoring lekahle. So sekuyinsaye yake njengoba Hapu sekamvetile ukuthi kubaphathi bethu labakhona laveni basizamele ukuthi bamane bam-mentorishe njengoba nathi basiniketa le field mentoring. So siyabonga kakhulu nje, as umdlalo usachubeka sicela Hapu achubeke nalo msebenzi lomuhle lawendako on keeping on uprooting laba bantwana labakhona. We have a lot of players la kuma grassroots, just that nje we need proper development, like kudzingakala admin lekahle nalama classes la kahle lengiwabonako lahle abakhona. So we would like for that ukuthi kuchubeke kube khona, kuchubeke kuhambeke phambili. Ngicela bangesabi naye invecala lokufuna si understand some of the rules lakhona kulama laws of the game akehli kahle vele kubadlali, akehli kahle kuma spectators asengisho kanjalo, because badlali bacishe babe ngcono. So you khanze ukuthi le analysis yethu ayifanani. So when we sit down nase sikudiscussa lento uyubone labanye ukuthi seba understand lokuthi why did we take the decision lesithethe. But for those upcoming referees, young referees, asingesabi, this is part of the game, vele ngeke ihlale ilula, but let's try to minimize making ama mistakes nathi sibe on the good side most of the time. Nako nje lengakucela, but kwesaba it's something lengayi advocate to us. Let's keep on moving, let's keep on educating ourselves, sifunze nathi lama laws of the game, siphinde siwabuke nama clips relevant to what we are learning in the book. Nako lengakucela.